they sue hospital. The death of Sharon come from the operation where the 40 abele. It come from her brain. It simply means that Sharon was stressing herself after going through that Caesar operation, after giving birth. And the whole thing started after Sharon was being discharged. 2 weeks interval. 2 weeks interval. Sharon started having a severe headache after 2 weeks. 2 weeks after she put to bed. Sharon, Mama, when I went to Wezua, just imagine after so many years, decades of years when you did Italy, you cannot speak the language. What the fuck? What the F? After so many years, imagine Mama Sharon enjoying that international. Imagine you when you not even integrate for country where you there for how many years. You still they get black man, a Nigerian man, a Benin man like you. Where is still they come they read letter for you. Mama Sharon, that joy. The only thing where she can be speak for Italy, you know pass Afancolo, che mi freghe, questo, mue chiare, na beyu, he not finish. Questo, oh hey, now she know for Italian language. Dammi tete. Allora, dammi tete. Allora, se seguanto. Mama Sharon don't know any other Italian language apart from se seguanto, se questo, mue chiare, na beyu. Dammi tete, vie your body yaku. Mama Sharon, come and swear if you sabi speak the language. I dey come, I say I'm not going to take for this video. Mama Sharon, you are so stupid because you are daft. Imagine you when not integrate for a country where you there for how many years. You can't go carry your children come. How you want to integrate your own children? That was the same reason you never cared for your children. That was the same reason you brought your daughter Sharon, late Sharon Okpame. That was why you encouraged her to go into prostitution. Mama Sharon was the one that encouraged Sharon Okpame to go into awolo iwinu no awami on ne Sharon managba shawo e Sharon wa ro elele ya here. The mother was right, as if the mother was strongly behind her. The mother, when they come out now, my children, the mother never advised Sharon. Mama Sharon brought Sharon to Europe. Mama Sharon bring Sharon to Europe at a very tender age. At a very tender age. Sharon come Europe. The age where they say she officially go secondary school. Do matura. When they tell they learn work or to continue education. Say you want to go forward, you want to go university, or you want to go do hospital. Sharon still there for that age when Mama carry and come. But Sharon, Mama never advised Sharon, say, my pikin, as I carry you come abroad, so. Agboni eno Italy, ma onu nuerive. Mona ask Sharon, Mama, enjoy dada. Which school he push Sharon? Whether he go push Sharon for work for Italy, say, learn this work as a learning. What would they call hospital? Then they see learning. Mona ask Mama Sharon, make you come talk the school, the learning school, where she put, as in, would they call her learning, as in learning. You just be like polytechnic. When I'm not saying that we the Nigerians, now they call polytechnic university. Polytechnic is not a university. Polytechnic, it be like learning here. Polytechnic, now where this say you go, you know, you cannot, you know, if you go do doctoring course for Polytechnic. You can only do business, you learn it. Polytechnic, now be learning for abroad, for Austria when me dey here. Most especially for the whole of abroad. Now be learning. As in learning. You go to school, you see that to learn how to sell, or you learn how to do cashier for bank. You know, you being a cashier in the bank does not mean you are a banker. You can learn it. You can learn how to service customers, how to enter computer. You just be like that time where everybody they go computer school for Nigeria. Computer school, you can from there, that is how it goes. Make una ask Mama Sharon which handwork, which school, make it come name the school for Radio Emilia when he for a row Sharon. Sharon was still very young when Mama Sharon carry and come. Hey, John, oh, who are that Sharon as your boy? Make una ask Sharon, Mama, say which school you put Sharon? Until Sharon. Mama Sharon. Okay. I say I dey block. I know they look anybody way right. I dey block. If I just start your comment, I block your ass. Go and be insulting me in other comment sections. Do you think I care about you? Do you pay my bills? The ask why they stay, you'll feel stay before you die. The life why they live, you'll feel live before you die. Go black bitch well after check up. That's for that. Make could ask Mama Sharon, say, Mama Sharon, I beg, Mama Sharon can't grow. It can't pass age where she will take go learning. Pass age. Sharon, the age where this useless Mama take carry and come abroad. Sharon 50 go, 50 continue secondary school. But you know later, Sharon not done, and she was watching. She never said anything. Ijoko komo. Ijoko komo last check. Ijoko komo rewebo. A single mother komo rewebo. A single mother ni komo wakbo bone buwa. Wakbo bone buwa. Emon wakoko here he yakyo atakba akpafie. Fio ewebo. Esquire ajo. Why ya? Here see mo wako we la video tie. How get far. Uwa ho. Mama Sharon. Joy no be dada no sungu. No yo boy we e Sharon yo to. Ona yo ye Sharon ge joge mimi. Ona ya hin nekere no be agwa na ya hin gbadoge. Ona ya hin mo ne bomu la jere picture ni ya hin go where please help Africa. They are suffering. Even the mimi je na mimi ma ko mo ni ya wa vati. Vivie South Africa no war e money no war ni ya mi amesi won. Where they carry and come and please come and help them. They are suffering. I don't want me say South Africa. I join want more their money. Because when the mimi looking, I just want my TV must I just not come and okay. So my people, I say I dey block. I block. Yeah, let me block y'all. Okay, I block yours. You're gone. I say I dey see comment as I dey talk. Mama Sharon, come and show us the school. Mama Sharon, they look. Sharon, he did 20 years. Sharon don't do a shower for abroad. He never even reached 20 years when he started to do a shower. Sharon was like 19 or 18 when she started to do a shower. Sharon started to do a shower work for that Italy there. For that Radio Emilia there. In Mama no. Everything when Mama Sharon care about, not to the third Sharon. Umado dele la yo wa. They see money where you say you no see your picking they work. You feel ask and say come buy food for us. Still they buy food for us. But no be say you carry your picking come abroad or picking where you go for abroad. You no say na shower they do or the drug dealer. You come and tell and say bring money, no they buy food for us. That is a mother where they support his pikin for batting. Mama Sharon knew all these things. Then Okpame was a shentro. Okpame was doing charity when his mama bring her come abroad. Okpame they do charity. Under his mama knows that they stay with their mama. Okpame they do charity. Before Mama Sharon drive Okpame come for house. Because Okpame call they bring money. May it eat. Pikin where you carry come abroad. Where you supposed to show them life. The same thing where happened to Jama First Lady husband and his mama. Did you understand? Now, Sharon mama, Sharon come they do a shower, they do a shower, they do a shower. All what is Sharon mama call it back. Now say, make Sharon they use her total money, can't they pay her strength. Can't they do this one? That was how Sharon started. Fish where it don't bend, that they feed the breaker. That they feed fish where it don't bend, that they feed the straighter. No. No big gun. Uwa wenu dia owa buno. Sharon is like no obije. Again, is a go. Sharon bashago marry go ni area baki. Sharon they do a shago. He not give her money. He not they pay her strength. He not they help her. Sharon was paying her strength. He not they do this one. Have you seen go ni? Now there Sharon mama begin use juju. Yes, Sharon. Ona ye boya Ivie. Emilia for Emilia. Nobody will know Mama Sharon as Ukbabo woman. Ukbabo. You gonna wagiare suya. No man me 10,000 euro keka. O ma se ti gbo egbe na wa lori 10,000 euro la dia. After how many years in the Sharon ke gia suya re rojo Emilia. O ma ti gbo egbe la wa lori 10,000 euro la dia. Na ya mo Sharon you wana me we God for me or do so yin or so na himi. Higo ya ni ye Sharon ya gia suya ya fefe ukbobo ya lele. Fear. I know no man who not know Emilia. In fact, many people they fear Mama Sharon for Rejo Emilia just because of ukbobo no lele. Iye Sharon that's why ye boya long Ivie. One day ye Sharon make una ask Mama Sharon say make una sit down think and say why Okpame no fit forgive you mama. Make una sit down ask una self and make una ask Mama Sharon say why Sharon come they run away from me mama come go they find mama for her side. Find friend will be like mama for her side. Because Sharon mama, I never want to go there. Okpame has every reason. Okpame has so many reasons why he not forgive you mama. Okpame has so many reasons. Okpame never marry. Okpame never marry. Okpame don't make attempt to marry like 4 times. The girl was born for Okpame. Mona ask Mama Sharon what he do. The guy who Okpame be one marry. Mona ask Mama Sharon what he do. Just because of the hatred we get for Okpame. He get Sharon I have here boy again. You know. He get Sharon that's why look back on your honey. No girl. That girl ran away from Okpame. Which Mama Sharon confessed to her son. And to that confess what we may forgive me. Now where did they quarrel? Where the boy because where Gama cannot guard, you cannot guard Gama. When the guy can see, the guy, he no be boy. The mama we born Okpabo. The guy on a wait bubble. On a fear, he never swung gualo to here, and I do me here. He just want to hey, who are you? He move like webo. How can you come abroad? You don't do anything for me. When you wish I say, oh, what now my house, now you stay for how many years? You know they buy food for me. You know they buy water. Nenemi. Okpame never married today. Now Mama Sharon. Any woman who Okpame is a very simple and lovely, respectful man. But no woman will stay for Sharon. Okpame had. If your mama not drive them with violence, he go drive them with juju. So Mama Sharon not can succeed. The hatred where they get for our children not be here. If to say Sharon fit get up, can't tell now. If Sharon not for here, boy, I Sharon. Iye Sharon, on us one year, but share the video. I send a small video I want to. Iye Sharon us one year, boy, I log him no be here. Over 17 years ago. Somebody just wrote a comment here. Let me read that comment. That comment is very important. If you people don't really know, 17 years. Really called you from Italy. Ogbemudia Edenamuki Ijemro Salobwa Edenamuki we are take bepa Egwe pa whether you be woman Ogbemudia Edenamuki member is even where they did pan megacity nasive edoi Ogbemudia Edenamuki enini o spelling o magbapa Gabi abide my sister ya change the spelling Edenamuki no why do I man present so ya here one egwa tebe one egwa provas Edenamuki I hope you take them because I am here some they see benin with the nanati Edenamuki no Edenamuki just wrote a comment here say Ivie people when don't really know this family Sharon Mama Sharon and Mama Sharon and Okpame. I said they don't really call you from Radio Emilia. I said my ear fool. Before me come they beat Mama Sharon. I said Radio Emilia people have more ear Sharon. If not a year like with social media network. Why more huh? Why not the fear Mama Sharon? Me no why boss and I told you boy at Bôŷfrie. No, I do have here, no, I do have name I go. Sometimes, my social media, but Gary, I want to donate now. Iye Sharon, ya bog Bôΐfrie. Iye Sharon, I got bonnet monobie. All because of hatred. A Sharon not give her money for her. I shall go money. O ma dele you wa ma bi go ni e ya tuweki. Igu hoge. Oni o monomu na webo. Okpa me ma bi go ni e. No ya we Sharon ti keke no ya we shentro. Okpa me. O ga we shentro what that before honor the wives. Okpame don't try to marry about 4 women. Iye Sharon, owa ye boya nwie. Abe efiansi, we ma se wan ye de morning. Una, where they comment so? How can Sharon mama be abroad? Sharon born with operation. What's the anna me where? Sharon be no cow. Oba wu. Because aga koke agele koke se why na me Sharon ibi omo nupo give ye ma koke se e Sharon afira na gbe Sharon adena hi ohun adoye Sharon. The problem of Sharon, the reason Sharon died, the problem came from the brain. Overstressed. She overstressed herself. And that is what I'm going to be doing. Yes, Sharon, where I am, here my tamu where we may, my boy, my way. He won Italy. Give me a few days. Or Italy, I don't want a platform in now. Or those Italy, or damn be de German on a calendar. Or damn be was Italy. Or Italy, I don't want a platform in I want the Italy. Yeah, if you are here, if you go, if we baby go here, no go me a poster, or I will poster out come no you join me there. Oh yeah, come here, or that way a policia, so that police would know that you are a scammer. Join either the Italian police, Italian government, Italian Radio Emilia police, Radio Emilia governor, Radio Emilia hospital. Joy Idada is a scammer. Joy Idada, her late daughter called Sharon Okpame, died out of carelessness. Because she died after Radio Emilia Hospital discharged her after 2 weeks. Sharon Okpame died because the mother could not help her. Sharon Okpame that died in Radio Emilia died because of overstress. Because she was stressing herself. Because her mother was not there for her. Nobody was there for her. After she gave birth with operation, Sharon Okpame was the one taking care of her newborn baby and her 2-year-old child. She was the one cleaning. She was starving. All she was eating was just bread and biscuits. Sharon Okpame that died in Reggio Emilia, Italy, died because of stress. You see this mother that is trying to sue you people, the Reggio Emilia hospital, the mother is a scammer. She's a scam. She wants to scam you. She wants to siphon the Italian government. She is a scammer. Ivie Sharon, you think Italian authorities, you think they are fools? Because not be basu, not basu. Anybody can go and sue them. But the devil they talk, the thing they talk about sue, go to that place that they go to the court. So that not be the way you take think. They will give you reasons and they will tell you, after giving you reasons, like 500 or something or 200 or something reasons, they will tell you, they will also tell you to defend that reasons. First and foremost, my people, Sharon Okpame not die due to say the hospital make mistake during our operation. Sharon Okpame not die due to problem from her womb. Sharon Okpame died because she was overstressed. She was stressing herself. As a woman that just gave birth. Normally, a woman that just put to bed need rest. Not to talk of woman where you use operation table, my people. Make you not say, Joy, or Ivie. Joy, you killed Sharon because of the hatred you have for your own children. You neglected Sharon. You killed Sharon out of negligence just to siphon the Italian police. A mother that lost her child. After 1 week, she don't go to sue hospital. Sue hospital for what reason? Sharon died say, they forget needle for where they for sew her belly. Sharon died say, they not sew her belly where. Sharon died say, they can't, the womb, her womb where they tear, where they take carry the pikin come and say, they not tear her where. No. Sharon died. When Sharon died for coma, immediately they rush Sharon with ambulance go hospital. Her brain was full of blood. When Sharon got to the hospital, Sharon not complain any other thing apart from severe headache. What can lead to a severe headache after putting to bed? It is overstress. Too much stress. Even woman were never born, woman were not newborn, can get headache based on too much stress. Not to talk of woman were newborn. Woman were newborn, get woman were newborn, woman were use operation born. So when they rushed Sharon to the hospital, immediately she got there. They asked her question. She said, she told the hospital, she told the doctors that she has been having a severe headache for the last 3 days. After she was being discharged, 2 weeks. As in, I'm not talking about 2 weeks interval. Do you understand what I'm saying? So because of that severe headache when she complained, they had to check her entire body and check where they for do the operation, check her womb, everything was intact. Because of that severe headache when she said she did get, they notice her. Sharon mama, they got deported from Italy. You think say the way they do, they don't know what they do. Because they are going to use all these things to fire you for court. After Sharon don't toss in a severe headache, they worry her. They don't already know, automatically say, wow, this woman was stressing herself. So they carry Sharon head, they examine Sharon brain and everything. Immediately they examine Sharon brain, they see and say blood. Don't almost cover the brain finish. To drink that blood, Mom could ask Mama Sharon, Mom could ask them, say, whether or not the so Sharon death happen. After they don't check all her body, she thought saying her headache she dey get in 3 days. After they don't check everything, they don't check whether for operator. Check her womb, check everything they intact. They have to scan Sharon head. They have to check Sharon brain. As they check Sharon brain, what did they say for Sharon brain? Blood don't dey overflow. Blood don't overflow her brain. Almost part of her brain don't die. Part of Sharon brain cell don't die because blood don't full am. Immediately, for them to drill out that blood where they for part of her brain, they have to place her in a coma. You don't see person, you know what? We are not fools here now. We are all in Europe. We not there for Africa. Have you ever seen a person where get brain tumor, where they want to operate the brain tumor where they for the person head? They're not going to put them for coma. This is brain. When the brain is dead, the body is automatically dead. Now brain be human being. When the brain is gone, that person is gone. Because the brain, the blood flows through the brain. The brain, they not be only heart, they pump blood. Brain, they do the most work pass for human being body. That's what they call skull. Do you understand? Have you ever seen a person? Go and check it on Google. Say somebody with a brain tumor, where they want to operate that tumor for that person's head, but they don't know they put up for coma. That was the reason they placed Sharon on a coma. They placed Sharon on a coma to drill out the blood and the part of her brain. They placed Sharon in a coma to drill out the blood will cover the part of her brain. They tried their best. Immediately, the fist pipe, they open her head, the fist pipe for Sharon's brain. While Sharon was in the coma, pipe where they fit for Sharon's brain, they drop blood. Now all the blood that they use that they use that pipe where they fit. Then they drag the brain, the blood where they the brain, part of the brain come out. Before you know it, it could not work anymore because part of the brain don't die. Blood don't overflow that part of the brain. She was dead already. That was why I said that Sharon, that was why I said when Sharon was in the coma, she was dead already. But due to, say, lack of knowledge, or say because we be Africans, we believe in miracle. There is something. Do you know what is miracle? A miracle don't feel bring brain where blood don't full come out. You can't say. That was why I said yes, Sharon was dead. Because people, the women, a woman, there was a particular woman that was there. The day they told them the first day that Sharon was gone. But they didn't accept it. Because after doctor, they tried their best. That was the reason they placed Sharon on a coma for a few days. Or for more than 1 week. That was why they placed her in a coma. But that very day, they don't know say Sharon is gone. Because the part of her brain was already dead. Wasn't working anymore. It was filled with blood. So, Mama Sharon, you think you are just a fool. You see that man, that useless man, where they do follow you, they do domecha. Where he follow you, go court. Go sue hospital. He's a fool as well. Not be by say they speak language. Not be that they know. You know, this education, you must not go to school. You must not go to university before you can be enlightened or before you can be educated. Me, I not finish university. I don't even go university. Now, polytechnic I go. I don't keep polytechnic I go. But I've read a lot. I read a lot. I can tell you things that you don't know. Sometimes when I say it, people say, Ivie, what do you know? But I know what I'm saying. Go and check it out. You see that man where they help you. That man is also very stupid. He's a dumb ass man. Because if to say not dumb, he's supposed to say, of course, you can go there and sue whatever. Sue anybody you want to sue. But the day of the court, they will not bring all this proof. Because the day Sharon went to the hospital, she complained about headache. So they will not bring their file and tell you, you think say all those things, don't they? Sharon's complaint. The complaint she brought to the hospital, the complaint that brought her to the hospital, emergency. After 2 weeks, after they discharge her, 2 weeks interval. If to say Sharon complain about belly, you get the right to sue them. They'll say, they'll call the one they go, they use Sharon body, they do experiments, they do waiting car. They'll call the one they go, they do autopsy, but then they don't do the operation well. But the thing was that you are a failure already. Because Sharon complained about headache. And the part where they operate, where they fix something put for Sharon body was the brain. Where they try to drag the brain, the blood where enter her brain come out. You think they don't know the reason why blood enter her brain? That is why in Nigeria, in Europe, when you newborn, doctor will sit you down, will sat you down and tell you, give you rules and regulations. Doctor will tell you not to bend down your head. Doctor will tell you not to meet a man for maybe like 1 week or 2 weeks. It's not that they don't want me you carry another belly. They have a reason for it. They are not stupid. Some women think say, I just born. Doctor say, I need 1 month before I go fuck. Which kind of that one? My toto don't go now. But they don't really, they feel say now because say, not be say I'll carry belly, they chop peace now. They think now because say me they not carry belly, now doctor say me they not meet mommy, they not fuck for how many weeks or for 1 month. They don't know say doctor get reason for that thing. Go and Google it out. Why doctor will tell you not to meet a man after you give birth? There are some women, it depends on your body. There are some women that they give them 2 months after they put to bed. There are some women that they give them 1 week. There are some women that give them 1 month. There are some women that give them 2 weeks. It depends on your body, on your body system. Every woman there, all of us now women we get to do, but every woman get different hormones for body. Hormones not missing at the hormones when you want to born. Hormones not missing any hormone. If you don't measure hormone, now hormone what is the thing they born? Everybody get hormone. Man get hormone, but you know they born. Everybody get different body system. Ivie Sharon, ready may you they go court that day. May you go carry, may they come, may you come see and say court, go say yes, you won. Because you just say that they put out for newspaper, you are a fool. They are fooling you. They are fooling you and whosoever that is behind you on this nonsense. The person that is behind you, that stupid man that is following you to court, that followed you to court to go and sue the hospital, a whole hospital, for abroad, or not be for Nigeria, where they don't get equipment, or where they don't know anything. You can sue hospital, but when you have a strong proof, you can sue hospital. You see some countries where they happen for Nigeria, you go say, they do an operation, they forget needle for a belly. Doctor, you say, sorry. Even though you sue them, you know they get anything. But for abroad, they forget needle for that. That family don't reach. They do an operation. After they do Sharon operation, Sharon born with operation. After 2 weeks, and that place where they for do operation, call the pain, and now she call for ambulance, call rush and go hospital. You can sue them, you have every right. Because that's where they for work, now the thing for happen. But they don't work for Sharon brain. They are not fools, they be Oyibo. They not say na stress, na Sharon. Because you weren't there for her. And you call yourself Ivie to where enjoy. My people, let me shock you. Do you know that after the death of Sharon, after Sharon went to the hospital, after the ambulance rushed Sharon to the hospital to Radio Emilia Hospital, Sharon was placed in a coma immediately. After they examined the brain and everything, Sharon was placed in a coma. So they fixed everything for her. People, when they see Sharon, they know say they fix something for her head, for her brain, when they take the track blood. But people, did you know that they placed Sharon on the coma on that very day? The mother, they are calling, they say that Ivie been a bad friend. Listen, let me give you a clue here. The mother, the excuse of the mother, as a mother, of yes hospital, an ambulance called rush pikin go hospital. Or my bomb were not here. And the excuse she could give, was that she was with the newborn baby. This is where Ivie came in. They say, because she did with baby now she not go. There was a video Ivie did. And that same video, so many people, when Mama Sharon, they tell lies, said the same thing as well. Let's go there. Ivie said something like, the day she couldn't tell, there was after few days, Sharon Mama never still go hospital, or in the name of, she they take care of the newborn baby of Sharon for house. Then, because the doctors, they have already seen it, the situation, the condition of Sharon, that she's not going to make it. So they called the social. They called the social to the hospital. Social was there in the hospital with the doctors. And Ivie was there. Ivie and some of other Sharon's friends, they were also there. They were also present at that very day at the hospital. On that very day at the hospital. You understand? Okay. Doctors ask Ivie, what is your relationship with this person? Ivie told the doctors and the social that she is her best friend. The same thing that the other friends that were there, that were present there on that very day, the same thing they said. So doctor contacted, they said, the doctor and the social now told them that they need somebody that is very close to this girl, her mother, her father, or her brother. They called Sharon's mother. Ivie Easy called Sharon mama. She called Sharon's mother from the hospital. Mommy, no na soon who back no get joy. A joy dada. Mommy, doctors want to see you. Social, they say na social. May you come. They get what they want talk, tell you. They get what they want discuss with you. Where they know if you discuss with us because we be our friends. They need somebody very close to them with blood, like mama or papa or your blood brother. Sharon mama replied easy. Say, you know if you leave Pekin now, don't want to take care of the Pekin. Now they tell Nyash say this is where Easy came in again. Una say I just defend Easy because I said this. No. Do you know why? I'm putting myself in Easy shoes. Easy called Sharon's mother at the hospital. Sharon mama tell Easy say, who you want leave the newborn baby for? Then Easy replied Sharon's mother, Mommy, he go still go hospital. Now the next day, he go still go hospital the next day. He go still go. But you fit give me Pekin. May you go. After you finish with daughter and social for inside, I go give you back Pekin for outside. Then you go house. But Sharon mama no come. She wasn't there. She never went there. Because she was with this stupid man indoors. Sharon na hospital, ye Sharon na awekia. Ona do ye Sharon you wa omomo ne Sharon da bie. Ye Sharon na awekia. Just imagine, how can you call Sharon's mother a good mother? Wa we je no mano. Oh, we me je no ye adobo me even though say your pikin they play, you can't wound leg, where be say the leg tear or you cut. Ambulance go carry your pikin go hospital. My people, even the ones, me where they say if you feel a makwa, if your children there with their papa, even una way they here, una way una children not even grow with, una children not grow up with una, and the ones where their children grow up with, which mother go sleep till daybreak? Or they go just call you like this. Your pikin, they play for school. He can't wound leg. Now so he leg cut. You go fit stay for one day till the next day, not to talk of 6 good days. All in the name of I was taking care of the newborn baby. Sharon's mother can likewise tell Easy, don't much in the and Easy. But she never did that. But Easy requested. Easy even brought her that suggestion. Easy gave Mama Sharon that suggestion where, Mommy, the social I want to see you. This was after the 6th day. Social I want to see you. Anything they want, when they want to talk, they don't fit tell me. They don't fit tell anybody where be friend. They say they need person way close to them with blood in Mama. When are they listening? Mama Sharon say, I they take care of baby. The Easy contact Mama Sharon say, Mommy, you feel give me. I feel hold baby. May you go the termine. The termine as in the appointment. If you finish, give me Pekin back. Then me give you Pekin. You go ask me go inside hospital. Because Easy told her that she go hospital that day too. But she go hold Pekin. Pata, the appointment or the talk where they want to talk. If it's too long, you don't go past 2 hours. But a Sharon mama born when here. Which mama will really love Pekin. Go stay, say they call and say he Pekin, he wound. Not be say he break handle. He just the hand your cut or the leg your cut. Which mama go fit sleep till they break. We no wrong go there. Not to talk of 6 days. Then not to talk of say. Now Sharon mama has Now ambulance for come carry Sharon. Sharon fainted. This one, Mama Sharon, not Biene, or Biome Vane, or Digwe Biome Vane. This one, Mama Sharon, will be Benin woman, Nigerian woman, a mother that way know what to be a day. Where you know what to be overstressed for woman when you born. Where you know, say, where you grow for village or you grow with your mama, at least the time when Mama Sharon they grow, they come. At Mama area 7 and now. The time at least the time when Mama Sharon they grow, they come. Not be the time where they say, a more papa go be Bini. Mama go be Bini, pikin no sabi speak Bini, don't they speak? You dey crazy, the man, you dey go, you dey come. At least the time of Mama Sharon, when Mama Sharon they grow, they come. I believe say na Bini they take teacher or something. She know where to be at day. Or in at day. At least Mama Sharon grow. The time she they grow, they come. She knows say if woman you born who are that beer. In fact, a year for a time, a family ya for her. Akwe no mu dato okwe to tase ko ye no talogbe agulu e talo e mu go to mu go duku. Sharon the time we dey take born Sharon mama enjoy dada she know say if woman you born awa pio eko ne sageni ya harakwa e sageni ya no mahara if those blood not fall and the woman dey stress herself now those blood go come clot or go come do another thing. Go enter her brain. Iye Sharon Iye Sharon no even at the year. Sharon fall for Mama Sharon house. Sharon not there another place where she knew born. Now in Mama house she did. Sharon fall. They come ambulance for Sharon. Which kind good mama? Iye Sharon naga ijagbo. Where you go sit down for us. Till daybreak, say no, we did not run go hospital. Ye ma kwene ne say but so ye ngeni asema ye made. She no go even know whether she wear pants go the hospital. But Sharon's mother stayed 6 days before she went there. Sharon mama see Sharon. He never tell her Sharon bye. Now they remove the life-saving machine from Sharon. Okay. Yeni mane doje. Iye Sharon hita. Eni emu obo atawe. Ude no omone Sharon dabi. Omomo no dabi ega agbiye. Ose imana seti hospital. DJ no hiya seti woni. Deni meje. Deni je. Ije no magie gie. Ije. More that's what they say you go, your pikin go for. Ije ude. Awe hi amava. On even no matter it go be, u beg nani. Ije okay, ije ni okay no wo. Even though say mama we dey abroad, he pikin dey Nigeria. They tell us say he pikin he for. Oh.